Just to be precise, I have a goal of planting 1,000 indigenous trees. That's acacia trees. And as I proceed, I have gotten support from an American organization called Just for Peace, and they wish to support us to plant these 1,000 acacia trees. The only thing they need is for me to confirm with about 240 VIP guests who will be guests at a concert. So we're going to have a concert to play music, and whoever will agree to support this, you will be a VIP guest. And the only thing you need to do is to say that you believe when we plant acacia trees, that will be a positive step first. And then secondly, you say maybe you enjoy a good company with great people who think about the future. So that's the beginning. And with that, I'm going to give you my number. If you are interested for me to give you further information about this, I want to give you my phone number.